What's up, guys? We got some more fried chicken to talk about. This one is in Shepherd's Bush, Chicken Valley. I used to spend a lot of time in Shepherd's Bush, especially going to that Westwood, because I think it's better than the one in Stratford. Like I keep saying, maybe I've been to this one. Maybe I've been to, if it's where I think it is. I'm not sure though. Let's see. This crepes look nice though. He loves his classic Air Maxes though.
Man got the Nike Air Max 96 2 20th anniversary, black leather. It's perfect. The thing's peng, fam.
How does he?
All the reflective bits as well.
Where does he get
eyes.
his shoes from?
Memory foam in the heel, in addition to the Air Max 95 Ultra Soul. Man's bopping on air, fam. Mad thing. What you bopping on?
He's floating though.
Phylon, EVA foam, dead. So yeah,
that's a Phylon. I can imagine saying, are you popping on Phylon?
Anywho, Shepherd's Bush in it. Man's here.
Jeez.
It's so Chicken Valley, and we were thinking, you know what? Let's roll true. Let's see if it's as bad as the last one we were at.
Clown.
4 wings, chips, drink. That came up to, I think it was £2.30, and then strip burger. That was £1.20. So together, the thing was like $3.50-ish. Yeah. It was calm.
See, man's got his coin pouch, yeah.
I had to complain about
his coin pouch, yeah.
Of the wings and chips, but boss man shagged it. Man had an actual box. He left that and he took a burger box instead.
Wait.
Put 4 wings in there and topped it up with chips. Joke, man.
Yeah.
Man got like 10 chips because he couldn't be bothered to put in a box.
You're still hungry now.
Obviously, the viscosity levels. Chips, boom. These ones were pretty skinny, but I could tell they were kind of fragile. Like
massive viscosity, they're still baffling me around.
Chilling there in the sauce. But I can't lie, they were decent. They were fried pretty well. Texture of the skin was a little bit crispy. You know, they did well to absorb all the seasonings and that. You know, I speak about
it's too early for me to be watching this though.
It's a very necessary part of the chip game. On a level, out of 5. 3.2, slightly above average, yeah. Especially for their size, because they were like proper thin ones, yeah. Wings and that. The wings were fairly flavoursome. That's considering I added salt and pepper. I did swipe it in the burger and chili sauce concoction because they weren't really saying much. Okay, basically the breading was dry. I think it was just flour and a bit of water. Man just slapped it in there, rolled it up, fried the thing. Because of that, there was no flavour to it on his ones. Like it was just weak. The size wasn't there. It was chicken, yeah, but it wasn't great at all. It's getting a 2.3 because it didn't really not say much.
2.3,
yeah,
you know.
Thing's weak, fam. Yeah, burger. Hey. We meet again. Chicken Valley. Hey. Fam, it was dead. It was worse than Iceland things. You're better off.
Why can man say worse than Iceland things? Worse than Iceland things.
That could be the whole operation. Clocked. Got him. You Chicken Valley guys, you're dead function. It was watery. Assembly was slightly lacking, but it's not that deep when the flavor's all dead. Again, it came with mayo, and I asked for burger sauce. Is this company policy to just disregard what a man says? I don't care. Nah, man, nah. 1.7. Dusty, nah. 1.7. 25p for burger sauce.
That was a bar.
Come sit back down to open up the thing. Snap. Peak. Joke thing. Alright, overall, so
yeah, he's not happy. He's not happy.
Sauce. And flopped on the mayo as well. And on top of that, when the burger sauce came, man tried to open the lid, the thing broke. What? The food itself, for the most part, wasn't saying much. For the other part, it was dead. Mythical. I can say though, you know, they do have a good seating arrangement. But if the food is dead, who's gonna be chilling? No one safe. But this place is not recommended by me at all.
That's the lowest so far. That is dead.
Everything Lockoff. What? You don't get Lockoff. Chicken Valley Lockoff. I ain't got bars, but yeah, safe.
Everything Lockoff.
Hey, it's going in.
Jeez.
Party hard. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey.
Zoom, 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 zoom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Man.
Similar.
Oh, no.
No, let's have that in the background for effect. Just put it on top in the tree, fam. Adds character. Blessington.
He's funny, man. He is so funny, fam. Lockoff. Everything Lockoff. What? Lockoff. Yeah, that place is getting shut down. 1.7. Your place is dead. Ragged. Dead. Shagged. 25p for burger sauce. You must be mad. You must be mad. Yeah, this is a mad thing. Anyway, if y'all like this video, hit the like button, man. If y'all got some shit to say, hit the comment section. Comment, share, do your shit. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace out.